Laune Rangers is my club. We were formed in 1888 and we have a very proud history since then. We've been fairly successful. We won 28 mid-career championships. We'd be well ahead in the Roll of Honour from the rest of the clubs, so we're very proud of that. Well, obviously the winning of the county championships were the highlights. We won in 93 and 95 and 96. And we also won the All-Ireland Club title in 96.
It's a chance of the goal. Can they get it? It's half blocked. It's going into the net. It's a goal for Laune Rangers. And it's all over. This time, Laune Rangers are the All-Ireland Club champions of 1996.
The celebrations were huge. Like, you know, it went on for weeks on end.
Laune Rangers, All-Ireland Club football champions of 1996.
People didn't talk about them days, you know. It was huge as well for the club and for the town. In relation to the future of the club, we're fairly strong at underage level. We've huge numbers and that bodes very well for the future. At the moment, I'm chairperson of Kishtin with the past 5 years. We have huge numbers at Kishtin at the moment, which bodes well for the future.
Here come Kerry. Peter Crowley getting inside the cover. There's a chance here for Crowley. What's he going to do? He's going to put it over the bar.
Great run by Peter Crowley.
Peter has represented us on the county panel with the last, must be 9-10 years at this stage.
Well blocked! What a brilliant piece of blocking that time. I think it's Peter Crowley. That was a fantastic bit of skill.
He won All-Ireland in 2014 and the club are very proud of his achievements, you know. Obviously, your playing days are the most enjoyable, like, but when your playing days are over, an awful lot of people go into administration and they feel they've given something back to the club and to the community. It is great to be involved in the administration as well, you know. My favourite thing about the GA would be the sense of community in the place, driven by, you know, great sense of community. We're looking forward to the year ahead when we'll open up again, you know. I'm delighted, especially for my family and my club, obviously, you know, because there are numerous people in the club who would give up their time selflessly and would be as entitled to an award like this as I would. So I'm delighted.